Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, LLB coach and motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to score very good marks at your LLB subjects. My dear friends, under Karnataka State Law University, it is not easy to score very good marks. Why? Because they are making strict valuations. So they won't give marks just like that. So if you write cock and bull stories, definitely they won't give marks and you will get failed, my dear friends. So in this video, I'm going to tell how to score very good marks at your LLB examination. Specifically, if we talk about legal subjects, you have to write in a systematic manner. So what Karnataka State Law University expects, how you are going to present well in your answer sheet, that is very important. So methodology is very important here. So you know very well, if you don't know how to present it in your answer sheet, you will be lose, my dear friends. So many of the students have been confused about how to write their LLB examinations, whether it could be 3 years LLB or 5 years LLB. My dear friends, you will have 3 hours of time to crack 80 marks on any subjects. So during these 3 hours, how we can able to write, that is very important. So in Karnataka State Law University, it's not easy to score very good marks. So if you get pass, many of the students, they are praying at least if you get pass. So if you watch this video, if you adopt what I am going to say, definitely you can able to score 60% at least. My dear friends, so if you would like to score very good marks, you need to do hard work. So without your hard work, without your time management, definitely you cannot able to score very good marks. So while writing your examinations, the methodology is very important. So the methodology means synopsis. In the first page, you need to write synopsis. In the synopsis, what you are going to mention? Table of contents you have to mention. What are the points you have been covered in the particular answer? In that you need to mention in the first sheet. So in the first sheet synopsis, you will get introduction, meaning and definition, relevant case laws, relevant illustrations, conclusion. If any no landmark case laws, that we can mention in the synopsis. So after that, you need to elaborate the synopsis point which are mentioned in the first page. So introduction, at least minimum 5 to 6 lines or 4 to 5 lines you need to write introduction. Then after, meaning, what is the meaning of that particular question. Then after, you need to write definitions. At least minimum 1 or 2 definition you need to write for that particular question. After that, you have to write what section comes under this question, that you need to write section and subsections. So after that, you need to mention the key points. What are the key points which particular that questions contains? So you need to mention the key points. You need to elaborate the key points with connective case laws. All key points must have connected case laws. So that you need to specify. At least for 10 marks question, at least minimum you need to write minimum 2 case laws. For 6 marks question, at least you write minimum 1 case law. So if some questions doesn't have a case laws or illustration, that you don't worry, so leave it. You need not to write case laws or illustration which it is not relevant to that particular question. So you can able to continue with your descriptive answers. So that is very important. So as per question, what you have to write, that is very important here. So some questions has relevant case laws, relevant illustrations. Some questions doesn't have case laws or illustration, that you don't mind. So you need to write in a particular, in a systematic manner, that KSLU lecturers or evaluators expect from your end. That is very very important. Your presentation is very very important, my dear friends. While if you would like to get very good marks in KSLU exams, your presentation is very important. So please be precise and please be right. Don't write cock and bull stories in the LLB subjects. So what are all the specifically what answer to the point you need to write. So if you, many of the students, what they do, they will write, if they don't know also, they write something about the question. So if you thoroughly studied well, and if you covered all the syllabus, definitely you can able to write something about the answers for the particular questions. So that you need to practice it. So every day at least minimum 3 to 4 pages if you write, so definitely your handwriting skills will be get improved. So while writing your answers in the examinations, your writing skills should be very very speed. Otherwise you cannot able to cover all the questions and answers. So at least for 80 marks questions, at least minimum you have to write 5-10 marks questions and 5-6 marks questions you need to write, apart from 20 marks questions. 20 questions you need to write 5 questions 10 marks question, and 6 questions are 5 questions are 6 marks questions you need to attend. So if you would like to get more marks, you have to follow in this method. So this method can be used for your LLB examinations. Why I am again and again stressing, please do hard work in your upcoming LLB examinations. Upcoming LLB examinations are very very important for your academics. So if you don't pass the upcoming LLB examination, again further upcoming LLB examination, there will be a difficult task for you to pass your examinations. So if you keep backlog in a huge manner, definitely you cannot able to complete your course within the stipulated period. After completion of your stipulated time, so if you are waiting till up to golden chance, my dear friends, so please utilize your time properly. If you don't use your time properly, definitely you will be loser, and you will be thinking, and you will be in difficult situation. So this is my own experience, and I'm sharing with you all. Please be practice punctually. Punctuality is very important, discipline is very important, and every day at least minimum 2 hours a day please spend about your LLB examinations. So upcoming LLB examination. For upcoming LLB examination, I have prepared the notes for 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, both legal and non-legal subjects. Around 65 subjects have been prepared for your upcoming LLB examination. The notes are very useful, and the notes contains unit-wise questions and answers. Previous year question papers have been extracted, more than 10 years previous year question papers. Each subject has 45 questions, so including problem related questions also been attended. And if you have unit wise 10 marks question and 6 marks question, both have been covered. So if you go through that notes, that is fair sufficient to score at your LLB examination. How to get this note? That is simple. The mobile number which I mentioned in the YouTube description column, if you contact them, definitely you can able to get the notes very easily. So I hope this video have been clarified about how to score very good marks at your LLB examination. Please follow the whichever just now spoken about the methodology of writing within a span of 3 hours of time. How we can able to utilize, that is very very important. So I hope this video have been clarified about the notes and as well how to score very good marks at your LLB examination. Please do subscribe my channel so that you will notified very good videos pertaining to your KSLU and PAS LLB specifically comes under Karnataka State Line University, Hubli. Thank you.